in. With a little bit of heat, you can also take this off, which you can use your blow dryer. And you can see how easy for some clients who are very, very sensitive, you can also use citrus if you want. But this comes off very easy. It's not gonna hurt. So I want to show you that we can use citrus as well. You just want to spray a little bit, and it pulls right off. The more shampoo you do, the better it is, because what you're doing is you're taking the oil from your scalp off. So, because remember, the citrus, it's oil based. The oil will take it off. So when you're shampooing, you're actually taking the oil off, and it's easy for the hair system to come off. So now we're gonna go and shampoo you.